as we've spoken about when it comes to the unanswered questions, let's talk about the possible theories that has been doing the rounds. Exactly what happened on the night of 16th of January between 1:37 a.m. to 2:33 a.m. Let's in the meantime take a look as far as the modus operandi is now concerned. The attacker possibly wrecked Saif Ali Khan's house earlier. That is the reason why possibly he was familiar of the building's layout. He possibly scanned the house disguised as an electrician, someone that may have been to the building before and may have come a couple of times earlier as well. The suspect entered via the bathroom duct. So he knew the way to come in to avoid the CCTV cameras and also to be put under scrutiny on part of the people also there as far as the security is also concerned. He knew exactly where to go around. There were certain fingerprints that were also found near Saif's bathroom as well. This is a point as far as we have seen the team from the forensics who had reached to analyze the situation to see when it comes to the fingerprints of the accused. Someone who kept the door open for the suspect. Now, this seems to be the larger theory that could be possibly one of them, that it could be an insider job. Insider knew of the suspect and probably when it comes to the motive to commit attempted robbery, that is what the police has been saying till now. The police found, however, no proof of forced entry. So that means he knew exactly as far as what could be the possibly the bathroom route to reach the residence of Saif Ali Khan on the 12th floor of the building. Attacker's motive wasn't just a simple theft. Now what we are learning that there were far too expensive things that were also in and around the vicinity, entire apartment or the flat that we are looking at of Saif Ali Khan. He chose rather not to pick them up and just to go away with a simple robbery. What exactly was the motive then? That remains the bigger question. He apparently wanted to take Taimur and Jay hostage. That seems to be the bigger question as far as the nanny or the caretaker there who was in Jay's bedroom was the one who first spotted the intruder when the bathroom light was turned on. Attacker and acquaintance of the family or of the staff, that continues to be the question that comes again and again to the mind of one, that possibly if this was an insider job. Staff may be hiding some key information. Many of them, as far as the staff who was also the eyewitness in the case, they have already recorded their statement with the police. However, this question still remains: exactly how did the intruder gain access to the residence of Saif Ali Khan?
Absolutely, Amita, a lot of theories emerging. Obviously, the veracity of all of these are still to be identified by the cops, but we'll keep an eye on each and every development far as the Saif stabbing saga is concerned. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.